Alright guys, welcome to me, myself and YouTube. And this is the part of the video that I'm usually on this cool New York background, talking some shit and some jokes. But I don't have fucking time to do this, so I'm just going to talk shit while I'm driving the car. Again, it's Wednesday and I'm making an episode in the last minute because I have very important things to do, such as going to a fucking job. And give me just a second. Okay, I need to wait for some jackass to pass me by. Thank you. And you maybe are wondering why I am not making an episode with myself, and this is because it's taking too much time to do all the subtitles, and I don't have this fucking time available. And also I need to have time to actually think of an episode with myself. I have pretty sick ideas, but they will take me at least 1 month to shoot. I'm going to do some shit montage and just upload some episode. What the fuck? Look at these fucking dudes. Move from the road, you fuckers. That's about it. Let's take a look of what I did in the weekend. I took some footage and I edited just to have something to show you. And yeah, this weekend we went to a typical Bulgarian village called Mirovo. This is an advertising for a pretty cool product called Coffee Cola. You should know it, right? It's pretty famous. Coffee Cola. The city hall is looking like this. Everything is very calm there. Even this cat does not give a damn that I'm 2 meters away from her just shooting. This is like a castle project, I believe. Maybe the king of the village was about to live here, but something happened, not quite sure. And we did some job there, burning things. Some of the guys are parking like bosses. You can see the bicycle in the middle of the street, and this thing was actually working. It's not like ancient time machine, it's actually working. Made new subscribers. This guy, for example. This donkey is coming up with the episodes. Thank him for all the content. These are actually PewDiePie fans, but they'll subscribe to my channel too. This dude's riding like a boss without hands. A place that people are drinking not coffee from the morning till the evening. Look at this cool spider, just love it, giant spider. Here are the subscribers, the PewDiePie subscribers. One of them was having some issues in the back, but he told me that he's driving too fast. That's where the dirt is coming from. Here we, all the guys that have been there. I'm behind the camera because this sick shot has to be done by somebody that know what it's doing, and all of those guys are just alcoholics. Just kidding, I'm the only alcoholic there. Here's me, by the way, with this cool satanic thing on my back. And I don't know how this came up here because this is from today, but it's a very good shot that I made and I'm proud of it. I hope you like it. So I forgot that I have another video for this episode. It's about some dumb motherfuckers that are working on a construction building. Obviously they're very concerned about safety and people walking around. The view is very beautiful. I'm working at a office building and this is just across my kitchen, and as you can see, it's very industrial, rusty shithole, and these guys are working. Just take a look at them. I'm going to put a commentary here.
G'day, I'm Steve Irwin.
Holy smokes, that was too close.
Whew. Danger, danger, danger.
Va a pegarle Ronaldinho Gaucho. Ya lo hace. Pierna derecha, directo al arco. ¡Golazo! 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 ¡Golazo!
If you do like the content, hit the like button. I gotta go now. This was my spare time today, so yeah.